What up guys, I'm Billy Charles, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to play Praise by Elevation Worship on electric guitar. Let's get into it.